Welcome back to SudoZain channel. Today we will talk about TCPdump, which is a great tool that works as network sniffer, which can show us the traffic from our Ethernet adapter. In case you want only specific results, we can use basic filtering to limit the traffic that TCPdump get. Last thing I wanna say that the tool relies on the lib pcap driver to make the process of capture Ethernet frames from the wire. So now let's get started. Okay, so I want to start with TCPdump --help. Okay, TCPdump --help show us useful information. For more details, we can use man TCPdump, and I prefer that man TCPdump. Okay, but let's take a look on most commonly options used on TCPdump. I will start with I main interface is to specify the network interface to start sniffing the packets, like Ethernet or localhost. Okay. Other option we have is wait a minute. N used most of the time to not resolve host names. And the other option we have -e, where is it? Yeah, it's here. It's to display Ethernet header data, like for more details. And the last most commonly option we have is -x, but capital X here. Here is to display is to show us the packet contents in hexadecimal and ASCII. Now we finished the introduction to TCPdump and basic commands, and now let's go to start TCPdump and sniff network traffic. Here I have two terminals. Okay. First terminal, I want to start TCPdump, and I want to sniff from localhost, so to identify the interface, and LO for localhost. Let's get enter. Okay. And in the other terminal, I want to ping 127.0.0.1, and I want to send only one packet. Okay, I sent one packet. Here we have what? Okay, let's explain the packets that sent. Here we have timestamp for when the packet was captured, and here is IP for internet protocol, and here for source, and the other one here destination. Okay, here ICMP is the protocol of the ping, and these are the most useful information when analyzing packets. And now let's go to another idea. I have FTP server here on Debian, on Parrot, and I want to connect it from Kubuntu, which is here. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so let's check that the FTP server is working here. Okay, so let's systemctl and start vsftpd. Okay, and now let me know the IP address of this parrot. Okay, it's like 1.2. Okay, and here is Kubuntu. I want to connect from here to there, so it will be like FTP 129.168. But before that, I want to open a new terminal, new tab. Okay, and I want to go to sudo and open here TCPdump interface ANI port 21, and count how many packets I want is like 3. Start, and I went here, and cancel. And what we have here, okay, we have seen, it's like, okay, we got here timestamp, IP protocol, destination, source to destination, and it's FTP, it's TCP FTP. But here we have SYN flag, and here we have SYN ACK, and here we have ACK. It's called three-way handshake on TCP. Like, it's better explanation here. It's Kubuntu on this example. Here Kubuntu, and here FTP server, which is on Parrot. I send the SYN, Parrot send the SYN ACK back, and from the Kubuntu I send the ACK, and after that connection established. So that's how the TCP protocols work. Send first SYN, second SYN ACK, and the third ACK. After that it will establish connection. Like SYN, ACK, and here the ACK. Okay. Now let's go to another idea, which is I want to connect to a port on our local host that's not open, like closed port. Okay, so it's accepted that the outcome will be a reset packet being sent back to the client side, which is to us, and we are on the local host. So let's open two terminals. I have one here and the other one, let's clear. Okay, here also. Okay, on the first one I want to run TCPdump localhost TCP port 333. It's sniffing packets, and from here I want to connect to our localhost port 333 by netcat 127.0.0.1 and the port 333. Let's see what we have. Okay, here we have two packets. First one is SYN, like in TCP always I send SYN, but if it is open port it will send SYNAC. If it is not, it will send reset, as we got here, send reset, and after that there is no connection, there is no TCP connection with the port 333. Okay, so before finishing the video I want to talk about another idea, about another point, which is there is a version of TCPdump for Windows called WinDump, and can be easily installed on most Windows systems. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comment down below, and see you on another